Good morning! Welcome to day 27 of 30-day morning yoga challenge. Let's begin this practice standing at the end of the mat. Feet can be together or hip distance apart. Stand up nice and tall. Release your shoulders down away from the ears. Take one big inhale and a slow exhale. With your next inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, look up to your hands. Exhale, fall down to your legs, bend your knees. Inhale halfway up, lengthen the spine, hands on the shins or on the thighs. Exhale, fall down again. With inhale, raise up to standing, reach your arms up, look up. Exhale, release arms down to the sides. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, look up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, half forward bend, straighten your spine, pull your shoulders back. Exhale, fall down. With inhale, raise up, look up. Exhale, arms release down to the sides. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fall down. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, walk your hands forward into high plank. Shoulders come above the wrists. Take a breath here. And with exhale, lower the knees, lower down to your belly. Inhale for cobra, lift your chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Push up to your hands and knees and lift your hips up and back. Move here a little, walk your feet out, shake your head. Take one more big breath. And walk your hands back towards your feet. Inhale, half forward bend, straight spine. Exhale, forward bend. With inhale, come up to standing, reach your arms up. Exhale, release arms down. 2 more rounds like this, a little faster. Inhale, sweep your arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, half forward bend. Exhale, plank pose, walk your hands forward. Take an inhale to prepare. And exhale, lower down to the mat with control. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take one breath here, pressing the floor away, lifting the hips up. Walk your hands back towards your feet. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward fold. With inhale, raise up, reach your arms up. Exhale, arms down. And one more time. Inhale, reach your arms up, look up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, walk your hands forward. Find your plank pose. Inhale here. Exhale, lower down to the belly. Inhale for cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a big breath in and a slow breath out. Walk your hands back to your feet. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, raise your arms up, look up. Exhale, arms down to the sides. Now bring your feet together for chair pose. Palms together in front of the heart. Bend the knees, sit back as low as you can. Inhale in center. And with exhale, twist to the left, extend your right arm forward, left arm back. Hold here, breathe. Come back to center, take one inhale. And exhale, twist to the other side. Left arm reaching forward, right arm back. Come back to center. With inhale, reach your arms up, stay in chair. Exhale, forward fold, straighten your legs. Inhale, half forward bend. Exhale, walk your hands forward into plank. Inhale. Exhale, lower down to the belly. Reach your arms back alongside the body, palms facing towards the hips. With your next inhale, lift everything you can from the mat. Your legs, arms, head and chest. Keep pulling your hands back towards your feet. The back of the body engaged. One more breath here. And release everything down. Place your hands underneath your shoulders and press yourself up into downward facing dog. From here, lift your left leg up to the sky for three-legged dog. Flex your foot, toes pointing down towards the mat. Keep pressing the floor away, lifting up through your left heel. Then keep your left leg lifted, lower your right knee down to the mat into tabletop, untuck your toes, and extend your right arm forward parallel to the ground. Make sure you are not overarching your lower back here. Keep pulling your navel in, reaching forward with your right hand, and pressing back through your left heel. Release your hand and knee down. 3 rounds of cat and cow. With inhale, arch your back. With exhale, round. Move with your breath. Come back to neutral spine position, tuck your toes under and lift your sit bones up, downward facing dog. Same on the other side, lift your right leg up, flex the foot, press up through your right heel, right toes pointing down towards the floor. Keep your right leg lifted as you lower your left knee down to the mat and extend your left arm forward. Find your balance here. Keep the core engaged, gently pulling the navel in to avoid overarching the lower back. Release your hand and knee down, and 3 more rounds of cat and cow. Come back to neutral tabletop position, bring your big toes together, separate your knees as wide as comfortable for child's pose. Sit your hips down to your heels as you extend your arms forward on the mat. Taking a few moments here to rest. Notice your breath and your heart rate. Maybe your heart is beating a little faster after this flow. Take one more big full breath in and a full breath out. Then walk your hands back to your knees, coming into seated position. With inhale, raise your arms up. Exhale, bring palms to your heart. I hope you enjoyed your morning practice. Wish you a nice day and see you tomorrow for day 28.